Hi, I'm Chef Desmond from Novotel, Hotel Shrem, Goa. So today I'm going to make some fries. It's very interesting. So normally we go and buy the fries and just fry deep fried and we have. So today I'll teach you how to make the sriracha fries. So for that we have to get oil in a deep pan so that I can fry the fries. By the time our fries are getting ready, for a sriracha sauce, we have to take a pan. We have to put some garlic, then Thai chili, and little bit of sugar. Let it get reduced, and after it getting reduced, just blend it and make it a puree of it. That's how the sriracha sauce we make. We'll just make it hot, little bit, a little sugar in it. Give a little sweetness of it. By the time sriracha sauce is getting ready, little bit of reduce. We just check our fries. Let the fries get little brown. It will take time to little bit brown, golden brown. It will take 2-3 minutes. Here we have a potato fries ready. So we're just going to add this potato fries in the sriracha sauce and we're going to toss it for a little while so it gets coated. So get it coated slowly. So our sriracha fries are ready over here. So I'm just going to present it in a plate. Put the cheese when fries are very hot, the cheese gets melt on it. Put some sesame seed on it. And here we have a spring onion. As I said before, it's not just a fries, it's a sriracha fries. We get the taste for it. Like sriracha, it's tangy, it's cheesy, and it's lovely, and it's easy to make at home. And even the children likes it, so you can try it at home. Thank you.